We'll guide you through how to make text highlight effect in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to highlight important text in a newspaper-style image, making information clearer, more engaging, and easier to focus on for presentations, storytelling videos, or informative content. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly without any interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads completely on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and start with a clean workspace for your editing session. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings properly before editing. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings. Next, click Import. Select the newspaper image you want to use, then click Open to bring the file into the media library. Drag and drop the imported newspaper image into the timeline section so you can begin working on it directly. Next, adjust the duration, for example set it to 10 seconds, so the clip plays long enough for the effect. Adjust the size and position in the preview according to your needs so the content is clearly visible. Then, click Drawing Tools menu, and choose Rectangle to create a highlight shape. Create a rectangle shape layer that covers the text you want to highlight so it becomes the focus. Change the rectangle color. For example, set it to yellow with 40% transparency so the text remains readable underneath. Next, adjust the size and position until it looks appropriate and aligns well with the text. Go to the timeline and make sure the rectangle duration matches the image duration for consistent timing. Then, right-click, choose Create Compound Clip, and click OK to combine the elements. Next, select the clip, then open the mask panel and choose Linear to control the reveal. Change the rotation to 180 degrees to set the correct direction. Then, add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end to create a highlighting motion over the text. Next, click the full screen icon button now to view clearly. Preview the result, and the text highlight effect in Filmora is successfully created.